India is officially a middle-income country, and the World Bank agrees. It's a huge leap from where we were back in 2006 when India was considered a low-income country. Thanks to impressive economic growth, averaging 6 to 7% annually, our per capita income rose, prompting the World Bank to upgrade us to the lower middle-income category in 2007. And we have held that position since then. But India is also at risk of entering a middle-income trap. More than 100 countries, including China, are at risk of entering a middle-income trap and failing to become wealthy nations, the World Bank has said. Now, what exactly is the middle-income trap? It's a situation where a country hits a certain level of GDP per capita but then gets stuck there. Growth slows down and the country struggles to leap to high income status. You might wonder, hasn't India's GDP been on a roll? We've climbed to the 5th largest economy globally from the 17th spot in the early 1990s. Shouldn't our GDP per capita be skyrocketing too? Not quite. According to an Oxfam India report between 2012 and 2021, over 40% of the wealth generated in India ended up in the pockets of just 1% of the population, while only 3% of that wealth trickled down to the bottom 50%. This uneven distribution has been a dampener for GDP per capita growth despite India's overall GDP steadily climbing. In developed countries like the US, the economy is stable and the resources are fully utilized. Wealthy individuals see their investments soar while wages lag behind, widening the wealth gap. In India, the economy might grow faster than returns on investments due to issues like underemployment and skill mismatches, which should help reduce inequality. However, income inequality still rises, leading to a middle-income trap. The Indian government has an ambitious target to transform India into a fully developed nation by 2047, the 100th anniversary of our independence. And to turn this dream into reality, Niti Aayog has rolled out a visionary paper titled Vision for Viksit Bharat at 2047. This roadmap aims to make India a tech-savvy, economically robust and inclusive society. The goal? Boosting India's GDP from the current $3 trillion to a staggering $27 trillion and raising the per capita income from about $2,400 today to $19,000. But to do that, India must avoid the dreaded middle-income trap. While India seems to be growing now, this growth is driven more by what a small wealthy segment of population consumes rather than what the majority needs. While some Indians splurge on luxuries, the essentials for most are nutritious food, decent housing, clothing, healthcare and education. But remember, India's current growth is largely driven by consumption rather than production of essentials. If you don't start producing what the majority of Indians need, we might just end up stuck in the middle-income trap.